Hi and welcome to an all new video. Not typically a travel video. ये video थोड़ा सा different है than what you see on my channel generally. And if you're looking for things to do in Dharamshala and if you're looking for the travel bit, तो मैं नीचे markers छोड़ दूँगी. You can directly skip over there. So I'm currently in Dharamkot in this hostel called Alt Life Hostel, and I will talk about all that later in this video. So I've always shown the rosy side of travel, me traveling, showing different places, talking to so many people on my channel and everything good about travel. But naturally not all days can be good, even if you're traveling, even if you're on the mountains, and this is exactly what I wanted to share. Some things that generally you don't see on the camera, some behind the scenes. So if you've already seen my Manali videos, you know for the entire month of November I was in Manali, and ever since I came back from Manali I wasn't really in a very good state of mind when I was back at home in Delhi, and on top of that something or the other kept happening and I was just not in the zone to even work or just get back to my regular life, तो मैंने ये ट्रिप प्लान की. When I arrived here for the first time, mountains पे आके यार खुशी नहीं हुई, I wasn't able to be happy because probably I was in a similar state of mind, and for that reason कल मैं यहाँ पे थी, पर कल मैं पूरे टाइम हॉस्टल के अंदर थी, मैं बाहर नहीं निकली, मैंने किसी से इंटरेक्ट नहीं किया, which is why आगे वीडियो में मैं आपको जो टॉप 3 things बताने वाली हूँ, they're going to be things that I'm going to tell you that I wanted to cover but I couldn't. So I really wanted to make a video of Dharamshala, but it did not happen, and I was just in my dorm room. Again, I was not in a very good state of mind. But then today in the morning, and we did not expect this at all, आज सुबह हम देखते हैं कि this area is covered with snow. रात भर snowfall हुई है, although रात में ही snowfall शुरू हो गई थी, and रात में ही we started witnessing it. And currently when I'm making this video, that mood has taken a 360-degree shift.
The snow is falling, there's magic all around. The streets aglow on a winter night.
And this moment really feels like a blessing. Okay, shouldn't have done that, but
the road is calling us back to our hometown.
I think what I'm trying to convey from this story are simply 2 things. Number 1 is that nothing really lasts, be it the bad moments, be it the bad times, be it the good times. This won't last. My mood that was there last day, on the previous day, that didn't last, and it's a sad thought if you're in a happy mood currently, but it's also a very liberating thought that everything passes. अभी ये जो moment है, this is going to pass. I think mountains पे होके naturally थोड़ा ज़्यादा ज्ञान निकल रहा है, but I hope I'm making sense out of all this. And unless you experience those low moments, you would never really be able to appreciate these moments like these. And I think enough said. In this video, let us come to the travel bit of it. So first things first, हम लोग कल ही आए थे दिल्ली से धर्मशाला इन ओवरनाइट वॉल्वो, तो वॉल्वोस चलना चालू हो चुकी हैं एंड बीच में कहीं पे भी बॉर्डर पे चेंज नहीं करना था, तो दैट वाज प्रीटी सॉर्टेड. देन वी रीच्ड एट दिस हॉस्टल कॉल्ड ऑल्ट लाइफ हॉस्टल. जो पीछे आप देख रहे हैं वो भी इस हॉस्टल का पार्ट है, जहाँ पे प्राइवेट रूम्स है, एंड वी वर इन अ डॉर्म. सो we really loved our stay over here. Living room mein interaction with other guests and cleanliness, and the fact that the snowfall happened today in the morning and it looks absolutely gorgeous right now. So I highly recommend this stay when you come here over here.
Wait a little bit longer, wait a little, we'll be coming around again, 'cause we're stronger than we were when you and I began. I don't know what's harder, holding on and letting go. I don't know if we are, know if we are, no, I don't know.
He reminds me of Zoe. Coming to things to do in Dharamshala, so like I mentioned, I couldn't really go out and do anything, but I'll tell you the 3 things that were on my agenda and that you can also plan for. So number 1 is the monastery जो Mall Road पे है. I'll put the name over here in the video. Number 2 is Bhaksu waterfall, and the good part is कि इस property से walking distance पे I think 15-20 minutes walk करके ही आप Bhaksu waterfall तक पहुँच सकते हो. And there's Shiva Cafe, which is a very famous cafe, so you can go there and have something. And of course, like you might already know, there's Triunt Trek, which is a great trek, especially for beginners. It's just an 8-kilometer long trek, and अभी के condition में शायद वो बंद है या camping बंद होगी, but it's a great trek to consider when you're here. And these are the things to do in Dharamshala, McLeodganj, Dharamkot. So I hope I was able to convey my message, and I think these were just some thoughts that were going around, and I thought that, you know, this side of travel should also be shown. It's not always rosy, but ठीक है, सब ultimately things do fall into place. And just look at the view behind me, and just look at me making the video. कल मैं zone में ही नहीं थी कि मैं कैमरा उठा के कुछ भी शूट कर सकती है, and today I think this is the first step towards getting back to working and getting back to normal. I'm able to be confident in front of the camera and speak. Well, life's good. तो अभी प्लान ये है कि हम धर्मशाला से जाएंगे बीर बिलिंग, जो कि सिर्फ 2 to 2.5 hours की जर्नी है. आई होप स्नोफॉल की वजह से वो एक्सटेंड ना हो. एंड बीर में प्लान है पैराग्लाइडिंग करने का, बिकॉज देयर इज़ एशियाज़ हाइस्ट पॉइंट फॉर पैराग्लाइडिंग. एंड ऑल्सो इन जस्ट 3 days it's my birthday, so I hope that I'm there. I'm doing paragliding on that day.
It's harder, holding on or letting go. I don't know if we ought to, know if we ought to, know I don't know where I'm going, but I know it's gonna be good. I don't know where I'm going, but I know it's gonna be good.
I hope you found this video useful in some or the other way. And I'll see you from the next video from Beer Billing. Do like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
But I know it's gonna be